Elon Musk, one of my favorite persons in the world, disappoints us creating the X logo that is replacing this amazingly beautiful bird of Twitter. So I will propose you to create this script to replace the logo with the bird again. So join me with this script and we are going to resist Elon Musk Advanced. First, we're going to open Chrome and search for Scripty extension. Here is it, the Scripty JavaScript injector. Open JavaScript injector and install it in your Chrome. Then, if you have installed JavaScript injector, proceed to open the Scripty create a script. Then add a new script. And here you can name it replace X script. X logo, I mean. Okay. And then I have created some code. I will share this code. It's really harmless, just selecting the logo in Twitter and replacing it with an SVG that has the lovely popular bird. Let me select this, and I've added a timeout just in case. Next step is add Twitter URL here. I think it's this one. Took. And then I will select automatically on page load. Let's create the script, and then every time you enter Twitter, the X logo will be replaced with the lovely popular bird.